Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about the MCQs on Jayaprakash Narayan. 60 most important questions are given in this video. This video is very helpful for you for cracking many competitive exams. So be with this video till the end. In which state was Jayaprakash Narayan born? It was Bihar. Jayaprakash Narayan was born on October 11, 1902 in the Saran district of Bihar, India. Jayaprakash Narayan was known by which popular nickname? Options are JP, Mahatma JP, Lok Nayak, Panditji. Lok Nayak is the nickname for Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan was often called Lok Nayak, which means people's leader in Hindi. Arrange the following institutions attended by Jayaprakash Narayan in chronological order. First, he attended Patna College, then Bihar Vidyapeeth, then University of California, then University of Iowa. So the correct option is option A. At what age did Jayaprakash Narayan leave his village for the first time to enroll in the Collegiate School in Patna? The correct option is option B, 9 years old. At the age of 9 years old, Jayaprakash Narayan left his village to enroll in the 7th class of the Collegiate School in Patna. This was his first break from village life. What was the name of the student hostel where Jayaprakash Narayan stayed in Patna? Options are Saraswati Bhavan, Aryabhat Bhavan, Bharti Bhavan, Student House. The correct option is option A, Saraswati Bhavan. JP stayed at a student hostel Saraswati Bhavan in Patna. In the United States, Jayaprakash Narayan studied which subject? Options are sociology, law, engineering, science. The correct option is option A, sociology. In the United States, Jayaprakash Narayan studied the political science, sociology, and economics at the University of Berkeley, Iowa, Wisconsin, and Ohio State. At which university was Jayaprakash Narayan impressed by Marxism? The correct option is option D, University of Wisconsin. Jayaprakash Narayan was impressed by Marxism during his study at the University of Wisconsin at Madison. The ideas and writing of M. Roy also equally impressed him. Which of the following is correct about the alma mater of Jayaprakash Narayan? University of Wisconsin. Here, Jayaprakash Narayan studied MA Sociology. Ohio State University. In Ohio State University, Jayaprakash Narayan got the degree of BA Behavioral Science. University of Iowa. In University of Iowa, he studied chemistry, which was not completed. UC Berkeley, here he studied chemistry. It was also discontinued. So the correct option for this question is option A, B, C, D. At Saraswati Bhavan, Jayaprakash Narayan met some boys who later became prominent figures in politics and the academic world. Who of the following is among them? Options are Ram Manohar Lohia, Anugrah Narayan Sinha, Ashok Mehta, Basavan Singh. The correct option is option B, Anugrah Narayan Sinha. Let us know some important facts. At Saraswati Bhavan, Jayaprakash Narayan met some boys who were a bit older. Among them were some of Bihar's future leaders, including its first Chief Minister Krishnan Singh, his deputy Anugrah Narayan Sinha, and several others who were to become widely known in the political and academic worlds. Jayaprakash Narayan received much help from his which professor? Options are given to you. What is the correct option for this question? The correct option is option C, Edward Ross. Jayaprakash Narayan pursued his favorite subject, sociology, and received much help from Professor Edward Ross. After a semester studying chemistry at UC Barkele, Jayaprakash was forced to transfer to which university? It was the University of Iowa. After a semester studying chemistry at UC Barkele, Jayaprakash was forced to transfer to the University of Iowa when fees at Barkele was doubled. He was forced to transfer to many universities thereafter. Which political party did Jayaprakash Narayan establish? Options are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Janata Party. The correct option is option D, Janata Party. Jayaprakash Narayan formed the Janata Party in 1977, which went on to form the government at the center. When did Jayaprakash Narayan join the Indian National Congress? Options are in 1929, in 1930, in 1935, in 1945. It was 1929. Option A. Jayaprakash Narayan joined the Indian National Congress on the invitation of Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1929, Mahatma Gandhi became his mentor in the Congress. These points are also very important for exam perspective. Which revolutionary organization was founded by Jayaprakash Narayan during the Quit India movement of 1942? Options are Citizens for Democracy, People's Union for Civil Liberties, the Azad Dasta, none of these. The correct option is the Azad Dasta. For fighting the tyranny of British rule, he organized an Azad Dasta in Nepal. With whom Jayaprakash Narayan started an underground movement for freedom. Pandit Ram Nandan Misra, this is the correct option. Ram Manohar Lohia, this is also correct. Aruna Asaf, this is also correct option. Chotu Bhai Puranik, this is also correct. So the correct option is option C. When Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement in August 1942, Yogendra Shukla scaled the wall of Hazaribagh Central Jail along with Jayaprakash Narayan, Suraj Narayan Singh, Gulab Chandra Gupta, Pandit Ramanandan Misra, Saligram Singh and Syam Bhartwar with a goal to start an underground movement for freedom. Many young socialist leaders like Ram Manohar Lohia, Chotubai Puranik, Aruna Asif Ali, etc. took part in underground movement. Now the question is, Jayaprakash Narayan founded the Congress Socialist Party with the help of whom? Options are Acharya Narayan Deva, this is correct. Ram Manohar Lohia, this is also correct. Then Mino Masani, this is not correct. Basavan Singh, this is also not correct. So the correct option is option B, A and B. After his release from the Nasik jail in 1934, Jayaprakash Narayan formed the Congress Socialist Party or CSP, a left-wing group within the Congress with the help of his friends Acharya Narayan Deva and Ram Manohar Lohia, whom he met in jail. Acharya Narayan Deva took charge as president and Narayan as general secretary of the party. Jayaprakash Narayan was a prominent figure in which movement? Options are given to you. You have to select the correct option and you have to examine yourself about your preparation. The correct option for this question is option D, JP movement. Let us know some important facts. Jayaprakash Narayan led the JP movement in India in the 1970s against the government of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Match the incidents, organizations, or places where Jayaprakash met with renowned friends or world dignitaries. In Wisconsin, he was introduced to Karl Marx Das Kapital. At Nasik jail, he met with Ram Manohar Lohia. House at Kadam Kuan. It was associated with Ganga Saran Singh. The Citizens for Democracy. It was founded by Jayaprakash Narayan with the help of V.M. Tarkunde. So the correct option is option C. Let us know some important facts. In Wisconsin, Jayaprakash was introduced to Karl Marx Das Kapital and he was influenced by the concept of Marxism. At Nasik jail, Jayaprakash Narayan met with his one of the best friends, Ram Manohar Lohia. He shared house at Kadam Kuan in Patna with his close friend and nationalist Ganga Saran Singh, with whom he shared the most cordial and lasting friendship. Together with V.M. Tarkunde, he founded the Citizens for Democracy in 1974 and the People's Union for Civil Liberties in 1976. Rearrange the following incidents of Jayaprakash Narayan's life in a chronological order. First is first meeting with Ram Manohar Lohia. It happened in 1930s. Then scaled the wall of Hazaribagh Central Jail. This incident took place in 1942. Foundation of Citizens for Democracy in 1974. Foundation of People's Union for Civil Liberties 1976. So the correct option is option A. Jayaprakash scaled the wall of Hazaribagh Central Jail in 1942. He met with Ram Manohar Lohia in Nasik Jail. Together with V.M. Tarkunde, he founded the Citizens for Democracy in 1974 and the People's Union for Civil Liberties in 1976. Which movement did Jayaprakash Narayan support during India's struggle for freedom? First, non-cooperation movement. Jayaprakash Narayan actively supported Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement against British colonial rule in India. Jayaprakash Narayan actively participated in the fight against which emergency in India? That is, emergency of 1975. Jayaprakash Narayan played a crucial role in opposing the emergency imposed by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1975. Jayaprakash Narayan was associated with which movement against corruption? It was local movement. Jayaprakash Narayan's movement led to the imposition of President's rule in which Indian state? It was Bihar. Jayaprakash Narayan's movement in Bihar led to the imposition of President's rule in the state in 1975. The quote, that is only one milestone on our journey, but we have a long way to go. After 27 years of freedom, people of this country are racked by hunger, rising prices, corruption, oppressed by every kind of injustice. Is related to whom? It is related to Jai Prakash Narayan. Option B is the correct option. Let us know some important facts. That is only one milestone on our journey, but we have a long way to go. After 27 years of freedom, people of this country are racked by hunger, rising prices, corruption, oppressed by every kind of injustice. It is a total revolution. We want nothing less. This quote is related to Jayaprakash Narayan. In 1974, he led the students' movement in the state of Bihar, which gradually developed into a popular people's movement known as the Bihar movement, also referred to as Sampurna Kranti, Total Revolution movement. Jayaprakash Narayan attracted a gathering of 1 lakh people at the Ramlila grounds and thunderously recited Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinkar's wonderfully evocative poetry. This poetry was सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है. Option D. Who launched the Free JP campaign? Options are Ashok Mehta, Surur Hoda, Minu Masani, Achyut Patwardhan. The correct option is option B, Surur Hoda. In the UK, Surur Hoda launched the Free JP campaign chaired by Nobel Peace Prize winner Noel Baker for the release of Jayaprakash Narayan. Which Prime Minister of India did Jayaprakash Narayan oppose during the JP movement? It was Indira Gandhi. He opposed Indira Gandhi due to the national emergency which was imposed by Indira Gandhi. Jayaprakash Narayan's call for total revolution aimed to bring about reforms in which sectors? It was political, social and economic. So option A is the correct option. Jayaprakash Narayan's total revolution was a call for comprehensive reforms in various sectors in Indian society. Jayaprakash Narayan was a vocal advocate for which system of governance in India? It was parliamentary democracy. Jayaprakash Narayan firmly believed in and advocated for the parliamentary democratic system in India. Which of the following is not the part of the total revolution of Jayaprakash Narayan? Total revolution is a confluence of the 7 revolutions. It is correct. JP's total revolution involved the development of peasants, workers, Harijans, tribal people and indeed all weaker sections of the social structure. It is also correct. The concept of total revolution became popular in 1974 in the wake of mass movement in Gujarat and Bihar. This is also correct. So the correct option is all of the above. Which famous Indian poet wrote a poem dedicated to Jayaprakash Narayan? He was Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, a renowned Hindi poet, wrote a poem titled Lok Nayak Jayaprakash as a tribute to Jayaprakash Narayan. Match the book with their authors. An autobiography, the story of my experiments with truth. This is one of the famous books of Mahatma Gandhi. The Discovery of India. It was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. The Argumentative Indian. This is the famous book of Amartya Sen. Nation Building in India. This book was written by Jayaprakash Narayan. So the correct option is option B. In which year did Jayaprakash Narayan get India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna? In 1999. Put the following books written by Jayaprakash Narayan in the order they were published. First book was Why Socialism. It was published in 1936. Then second book was Towards a Struggle. It was published in 1946. Third book was The Reconstruction of Indian Polity. It was published in 1959. And the last one was Prison Diary 1977. In which year did Jayaprakash Narayan get the Raman Magsaysay Award? It was 1965. Jayaprakash Narayan's biography titled Jayaprakash was written by whom? This is very important question for exam perspective. The correct option is option C, Ram Briksh Benipuri. Jayaprakash Narayan's biography, Jayaprakash, was written by his nationalist friend and the writer of Hindi literature, Ram Briksh Benipuri. Which award did Jayaprakash Narayan receive posthumously for his contribution to the nation? It was Bharat Ratna. Jayaprakash Narayan was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1999. Now match the biography of Jayaprakash with their authors. This type of questions are oftenly asked in exam. Jayaprakash Narayan, a biography. It was written by Frank Morius. Jayaprakash Narayan, a life. It was written by Raghavan Raghav. JP, the biography of Jayaprakash Narayan. It was written by Bimal Prasad. Jayaprakash, it was written by Ram Briksh Benipuri. So the correct option is option A. Jayaprakash Narayan met with whom during his prison term in Nasik jail? Options are Ram Manohar Lohia, Mino Masani, Achyut Patwardhan, all of the above. The correct option is all of the above. In 1930, Jayaprakash Narayan was jailed for civil disobedience against British rule. Narayan was imprisoned in Nasik jail, where he met Ram Manohar Lohia, Mino Masani, Achyut Patwardhan, Ashok Mehta, Basavan Singh, Yusuf Desai, C.K. Narayan Swamy, and other national leaders. Now the question is, Jayaprakash Narayan was imprisoned during which historical event? Options are Dandi March, this is not correct. Salt Satyagraha, it is also not correct. Chauri Chaura incident, this is not correct. Quit India movement, this is the correct option. Option D. Jayaprakash Narayan was arrested and imprisoned during the Quit India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942. Identify the unmasked pair of the incidents of Jayaprakash Narayan's life, transferred from Lahore Fort to Agra Jail in January 1945. It is correct. Second important phase of his life, involvement in the total revolution. This is not correct. Third phase of his life, involvement in the total revolution. This is correct. Arrested from Punjab in September 1948. This is also not correct. So the correct option for this question is option B. Let us know some important facts. Jayaprakash Narayan's commitment to the cause of poor did not diminish, and this brought him closer to Vinoba Bhave's Bhudan movement. This was the second important phase of his life. He was arrested from Punjab while traveling in a train in September 1943. Which popular slogan was associated with Jayaprakash Narayan's movement? It was Sampurna Kranti. Sampurna Kranti means total revolution in Hindi and was the slogan associated with Jayaprakash Narayan's movement. Which of the following is not the part of the total revolution of Jayaprakash Narayan? Legal was not the part of the total revolution. The concept of total revolution as enunciated by JP is a confluence of his idea on seven revolutions: social, economic, political, cultural, ideological, and intellectual, educational, and spiritual. When did Jayaprakash Narayan use the term total revolution for the first time? It was first used in 1969. Jayaprakash Narayan used the term total revolution for the first time in the British magazine called The Time in 1969. In which year did Jayaprakash Narayan found the Citizens for Democracy organization? It was founded in 1974. Jayaprakash Narayan established the Citizens for Democracy organization in 1974 as a platform for political and social reform. Jayaprakash Narayan's movement was instrumental in the formation of which political coalition? It was Janata Party. Jayaprakash Narayan's movement led to the formation of the Janata Party, a coalition of several opposition parties in India. Which of the following statements is correct about Jayaprakash Narayan's activities? The Russian Civil War made Jayaprakash impacted by the Marxist concept. This is correct. He delved into books by Indian intellectual and communist theoretician M.N. Roy. This is also correct. In 1974, he started the Bihar movement. This is also correct. He obtained an MA in sociology from the University of Wisconsin and BA in behavioral science from Ohio State University. This is also correct. So the correct option is option C. Let us know some important facts. News of the success of the Bolsheviks in the Russian Civil War made Jayaprakash conclude that Marxism was the way to alleviate the suffering of the masses. He delved into books by Indian intellectual and communist theoretician M.N. Roy. In 1974, he led the students' movement in the state of Bihar, which gradually developed into a popular people's movement known as the Bihar movement. He obtained an MA in sociology from the University of Wisconsin and BA in behavioral science from Ohio State University. Jayaprakash Narayan was a vocal critic of which Indian political party? It was Indian National Congress. Jayaprakash Narayan criticized the Indian National Congress for its corruption and authoritarianism during his movement. Jayaprakash Narayan served as a member of parliament from which constituency? It was Varanasi. Jayaprakash Narayan represented the Varanasi constituency in the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Indian Parliament. Which political party did Jayaprakash Narayan support in the 1977 general elections in India? It was Janata Party. Jayaprakash Narayan supported the Janata Party which won the 1977 general elections and formed the government. Jayaprakash Narayan returned from the US to India as a he returned from the US to India as a Marxist. So option D is the correct option. Jayaprakash Narayan returned from the US to India in late 1920s as a Marxist. Which social reformer greatly influenced Jayaprakash Narayan's political ideology? He was Mahatma Gandhi. Jayaprakash Narayan was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence and satyagraha. Jayaprakash Narayan's influence extended beyond politics. He actively worked in which other field? Social work. Jayaprakash Narayan was actively involved in social work, focusing on issues like rural development and grassroots empowerment. Where did Jayaprakash Narayan meet the revolutionary Rajni Palme Dutt? In London. Option C. While Narayan was on his way back to India, he had the opportunity to meet revolutionaries like Rajni Palme Dutt in London. Now the region assertion type question. Jayaprakash Narayan was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna. It is correct. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. This is also correct. So both reason and assertion are correct, and the assertion is the correct explanation of the reason. Option A is the correct option. The Bharat Ratna is conferred upon individuals who have made exceptional contribution in various fields such as art, literature, science and public service. Jayaprakash Narayan's significant contributions to the nation and his role in promoting democratic values and social justice made him deserving of this prestigious honor. Jayaprakash Narayan advocated the total revolution. This is correct. Total Revolution aimed to bring comprehensive reforms in the political, social and economic spheres. This is also correct and the correct explanation of the reason. So the correct option is option A. Both the reason and assertion are correct and the assertion is the correct explanation of the reason. Let us know some important facts. Jayaprakash Narayan did advocate the total revolution which aimed to bring about comprehensive reforms in the political, social and economic spheres of society. He believed that a holistic transformation was necessary to address the systematic issues prevalent in India at that time. Now the reason is Jayaprakash Narayan actively opposed the emergency imposed by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It is correct. The emergency led to the suspension of civil liberties and a crackdown on political opposition. This is also correct. So both reason and assertion are correct, and the assertion is the correct explanation of the reason, option A. Jayaprakash Narayan actively opposed the emergency imposed by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1975. The emergency led to a suspension of civil liberties, including the curbing of press freedom and the arrest of political leaders and activists. Now the reason is Jayaprakash Narayan formed the Janata Party. It is correct. The Janata Party brought together various opposition parties to challenge the ruling party in the 1977 general election. This is also correct and the correct explanation of the reason. So the correct option is option A. Jayaprakash Narayan formed the Janata Party, a united front of opposition parties in India. It challenged the ruling Indian National Congress in the 1977 general elections, won, and formed the government at the center. Now again the region assertion type of question. Region is Jayaprakash Narayan was known as Lok Nayak. This is correct. Assertion Jayaprakash Narayan's leadership inspired people across the nation. It is also correct. So the correct option is both the reason and assertion are correct, and the assertion is the correct explanation of the reason. Let us know some important facts. Jayaprakash Narayan was indeed known as Lok Nayak, which means people's leader. This title was given to him due to his influential leadership during the JP movement, which inspired people across the nation. His commitment to democracy, social justice, and grassroots empowerment resonated with the masses and earned him the title Lok Nayak. In which year did Jayaprakash Narayan pass away? On October 8, 1979. Narayan died in Patna, Bihar on 8 October 1979, 3 days before his 77th birthday due to effects of diabetes and heart ailments, leaving behind a significant legacy as a political leader and social reformer. Thank you for watching.